For the last 6 months, crime teams in North Goa, we were noticing there was a pattern in house burglaries, wherein certain masked men were seen as committing these crimes. In this regard, different cases were registered in various police stations of North and South Goa. And last week we had shared with you that during investigation, Porvorim police station had arrested two suspected masked men who were later identified as the persons who were committing these crimes. They had been identified as one Mr. Maria Baptista. He is 44 years old, a resident of Benolin, and another accomplice, Mr. Mohammad Sufian. He was 20 years old, resident of Kalkonda, and he was a first year BCom student. During the interrogations which we conducted with them, it was revealed that both these persons confessed that they had indeed committed a large number of burglaries in North Goa. They also confessed that they had handed over all the stolen ornaments to one Mr. Philip Rato, who is resident of Benolin, who thereafter used to sell these stolen gold ornaments to a goldsmith identified as one Mr. Samarpal, who is having a small jewelry shop in Margaon. Both these persons were brought to the Porvorim police station and necessary legal formalities regarding their arrests were done. During the course of investigation, we have so far recovered around 500 grams of stolen gold jewelry. That is around half a kg. And all these persons have confessed to have committed these thefts in a coordinated and in a well planned manner.